Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Gary V here, and let me tell you, we're about to break down some serious knowledge bombs for you today. Listen, another year's come and gone, and you gotta ask yourself, are you further ahead than you were last year? Are you making moves, or are you stuck in neutral? Because let's be real, the world's gone kinda crazy. Inflation's through the roof, bills are piling up, and the economy's looking shakier than a squirrel on a caffeine high. But here's the thing, 2025 is right around the corner, and it's overflowing with opportunity. But you gotta be ready to grab it by the horns. That's why we put together something truly special for you, the Ultimate Profit Boot Camp. We're talking about a hand-picked lineup of the best in the business. Folks who've built empires from scratch, who've cracked the code to online success, and who are here to give you the no BS blueprint to crush it in 2025. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building real, sustainable businesses that can change your life.
Let's face it, nobody wants to be chained to their desk 24/7. We all want that sweet, sweet freedom, the ability to work smarter, not harder. And that's where V-mining comes in. This isn't just some buzzword, it's about understanding the value of your time and leveraging automation to streamline your business. We're talking about identifying the tasks that are sucking up your time and finding ways to automate them, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. This is about building a business that works for you, not the other way around. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of V-mining and show you how to reclaim your time and maximize your profits.
Look, I'm all about hustle, but sometimes you gotta work smarter, not harder. And that's where done-for-you graphics come in. I'm talking about high-quality, eye-catching visuals that can elevate your brand and captivate your audience without you having to lift a design finger. I'm gonna break down exactly how I went from zero to over $38,000 in just 7 days using the power of done-for-you graphics. No product, no email list, no traffic, no connections, just pure strategic execution. This is about leveraging the power of pre-made assets to shortcut your way to success.
Let's be real. You're scrolling through social media anyway, so why not get paid for it? I'm talking about turning your online presence into a cash-generating machine. This isn't about being an influencer or chasing likes. It's about understanding the power of social media marketing and using it to drive real, tangible results. We're going to dive deep into the strategies that work right now, from content creation to paid advertising, and show you how to turn your followers into customers. This is about building a loyal audience that trusts you, engages with you, and ultimately buys from you.
Learn 3 simple investing strategies that have generated profits of $400 to $1,000 per day and take just 30 minutes to do. Investing. It can seem intimidating, right? Like some exclusive club for Wall Street hotshots. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to be complicated. I'm going to break down 3 simple investing strategies that anyone can implement, even if you've never invested a dime before. And the best part, these strategies only take about 30 minutes a day. That's it. We're talking about generating consistent profits without having to quit your day job or become a financial guru. This is about taking control of your financial future and building wealth on your own terms.
Chapter 5. Lazy Super Affiliate. How I make $30,000 in 3 months as a newbie. Ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's like having your own online store without the inventory, shipping, or customer service headaches. You're basically promoting other people's products and getting a cut of the profits for every sale you make. I'm going to show you how I, as a complete newbie, was able to generate $30,000 in just 3 months using a lazy approach to affiliate marketing. This isn't about spamming links or tricking people into buying. It's about building genuine relationships and providing value to your audience.
Chapter 6. Small Batch System. Tired of pouring money into ads that don't convert? Frustrated with complicated traffic generation methods that leave you feeling lost and confused? I hear you. That's why I'm so excited to share the Small Batch System with you. This all-inclusive alternative traffic generation system requires no additional expenses, no ad spend, and no PPC. It's about leveraging organic strategies to attract a steady stream of highly targeted traffic to your offers. Chapter 7. Brand new, the secret opportunity online that earns me $537 per day, and how you can clone it to transform your financial life forever. Look, I'm all about building sustainable businesses, but sometimes you just want a quick win, right? Something you can start today and see results from tomorrow. That's what this chapter is all about. I'm going to reveal a stupid, simple online business model that's currently earning me $537 per day. And the best part? You can clone it and start seeing similar results in your own business. This is about taking action, implementing proven strategies and watching the profits roll in.
Chapter 8. It's 2025. Lead generation is dead. Use demand generation instead. Discover the sold system, Lead Gen 2.0, lead generation evolved. Lead generation is so 2023, it's time to evolve. In 2025, it's all about demand generation, creating a buzz around your brand and attracting customers who are already primed to buy. I'm going to introduce you to the sold system, a revolutionary approach to lead generation that's specifically designed for the ever-evolving online landscape. This is about positioning yourself as the go-to solution in your niche and attracting a flood of high-quality leads.
Chapter 9. Discover Glenn's fast shortcut to passive $10,000 per day. Commissions live, no list building, no creating products, no experience. Imagine waking up to $10,000 in affiliate commissions every single day. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, that's the power of Glenn's automated passive income system. Glenn's going to break down his entire system, step by step, and show you how to replicate his success, even if you're starting from scratch. This is about leveraging the power of automation to generate passive income while you sleep. Chapter 10. How to make 6 figures a year by giving stuff away online. Wait, what? Make 6 figures by giving stuff away? You heard that right. This isn't some crazy marketing gimmick. It's about understanding the power of reciprocity and leveraging it to build a loyal following that's eager to buy from you. I'm going to show you how to create irresistible lead magnets, freebies, and giveaways that attract your ideal customers like moths to a flame. This is about providing value up front and building trust with your audience, which ultimately leads to more sales.
Chapter 11. Millionaire Money-Making Machine. Looking for long-term investment opportunities that have the potential to generate massive wealth? Then you need to hear what Robert has to say. He's going to reveal his top 3 long-term investment picks. Companies with solid fundamentals, explosive growth potential, and the ability to weather any economic storm. This is about making smart, strategic investments that set you up for long-term financial success.
Chapter 12. How to funnel hack your next big idea, and other secrets from Russell Brunson. Funnel hacking. It's the not-so-secret weapon that top marketers use to reverse engineer their competitors' success and create high-converting sales funnels of their own. Russell Brunson, the master of funnels himself, is going to break down his proven funnel hacking strategies and share the secrets that have allowed him to generate over $1 billion in online sales. This is about understanding the psychology of persuasion and creating irresistible offers that convert like crazy. Outro. Secure your spot at the Ultimate Profit Bootcamp. Now, look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Spots in the Ultimate Profit Bootcamp are limited and they're filling up fast. This is your chance to learn from the best of the best, the entrepreneurs, marketers, and investors who are absolutely crushing it online. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Secure your spot at the virtual Ultimate Profit Bootcamp now and get ready to unlock your full earning potential. This is your year to break through, to achieve financial freedom, and to build the life of your dreams. Don't wait. The time for excuses is over. The time for action is now. Click the link below and join us at the Ultimate Profit Bootcamp. I'll see you there.